Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2024 Kubota Z781I zero turn 60-inch mower that's sitting here in Rochelle. This unit has 11.8 hours on it right now, so running around a little bit. It'll have 12 by the time we sell it, but this thing is perfect. We traded it in from a guy that an eccentric buyer here in the great area of Rochelle, and he wanted a diesel like he had before after he ran this for a day or two. This thing has warranty for balance of this year and till summer of next year. The thing doesn't have a scratch on it. You look around the lower deck, it's perfect. Seat is perfect. It'll fire it up here. The serial numbers, pictures are on the website. Driving around here, everything's right on it. But right now, what you need to do is put gas in. Put it back in the spot, and hopefully this video helps. Thank you.